What's going on, guys? I wanted to tell you about this really cool charging cable. Now, the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. The cable itself comes nicely wrapped up here, so let's go ahead and take it out and see what we have. So, of course, the one main connection is a USB-A connection. You connect this to the power adapter that came with your phone or mobile device, or you can connect it to just any USB port that provides power, and you're good to go. And then on the opposite side, we have all of our other connections. So the green one is micro USB. You can see that right there. The red one is USB-C. The blue one is Lightning for all of your Apple devices. And then, of course, we have our Apple Watch charger, which is magnetized. Now, I really like that these are all color-coded. So, again, all the different colors that we have here, which is really nice. So, once you know which one's which, you can easily connect them, which I definitely do like. And the cabling itself is nice and braided, as you can see, all the way down to the, to the main connection here as well. So this is, this isn't a typical rubber cable that may break. These should last a pretty long time. Just to show you how the cable works, let's go ahead and plug it in. I'm just plugging it into a USB charger that I have. And first we'll do my watch. So we'll do the Apple Watch here. Take my Apple Watch off. Go ahead and put it down on here. And like I said, it is magnetized. So we are charging here, which is great. I actually have my phone, so we'll use the blue Lightning connector for my phone. Plug my phone in, and we are charging. And then finally, I have a wireless charger that uses Type-C. So we'll go ahead and plug in the Type-C, and the lights light up, which means it is charging as well. So we can connect multiple devices. They're all going to charge at the same time, which is really, really great. And like I said, it's just a simple cable. So instead of bringing a bunch of different cables with you, whether it's on a trip or even into work, you have one simple cable that's going to charge multiple devices.